What is up, Tube? Let's get into this Saturday. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today is Saturday. Right now it's about 10:41 a.m. I've been here since 7 a.m. 7 a.m. was my first appointment. Again, I'm booked up all day, booked up solid. 16 haircuts throughout the day from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. So I'm already probably about 6-7 haircuts in already. But I need to get something to eat. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go get some lunch right now. But guys, remember yesterday I was telling you guys that they opened us back up? Well, it turns out, find out this morning that there was a misunderstanding from the governor or some crap like that. And now they're saying that everybody's allowed to open except LA County, which my city happens to be in LA County. So, again, LA County gets dicked as far as I'm concerned. You know what? I don't even care, dude. I'm not even gonna stress on it. I'm not even gonna worry about it. It is what it is. But I'm disappointed again. Disappointed in our city. You know, come on, man. This is ridiculous already. Look at this weirdo, this Trump clad flags. Anyway, so we're not allowed to open up again, and you guys already know I'm just working undercover. Door's locked. People come to the door, they knock on the door, I let them in. We're doing one at a time. I just feel bad for the other guys, you know, like my Dave's there and Raul's there. Raul's building up a good clientele. He's been grinding hard, so he's been actually adding a lot of people to his stable of clients. What something that Dave needs to do now is build up his clientele little by little. It's all about him getting reps right now, getting as many haircuts as he can under his belt. When you're the low guy on the totem pole, that's what you need to do, is get as many haircuts as you can so that you can make that money, you know? But little by little, we're getting there, guys. We are definitely getting there. But I'm just disappointed this morning about us not being able to reopen. I was hoping that it would be full-on grind again, you know? I was already prepared to work 6 days a week, but if that's the case, then I guess I'll just sit tight and keep doing what we've been doing and take it easy little by little and keep moving. Passing by the church right here. They're having services right now outside. But I'm gonna go grab some lunch, guys, and then go finish this day off. I'm gonna try to videotape a haircut today. I haven't videotaped any haircut or anything, but I'm gonna for sure do that today. Try to get back on it. Try to do something, guys. But I appreciate every single one of you guys watching. Again, stay tuned. 5K giveaway is coming up. I think we're gonna let that run, guys, till next week. Okay? So we'll announce the winners probably next Friday or some day like that. Okay? But I'll get back with you guys in a little while. You know, it's weird. We've been slam busy every single day. Even my boys have been getting a lot of work in, and then today, you know, they find out that the cities are going to start opening up again, and it slows down all of a sudden for them. I mean, I'm booked again, completely booked, but for them, it seems like it just slows down a little bit. I don't know. I don't understand why. It's just, but it could just be a bad Saturday, you know what I mean? My son Dave only has 3 haircuts. Raul's doing pretty good. Raul had an excellent day yesterday, though. So, you know, it's just up and down. But finish this day off strong, guys. I think I got about 4 more cuts. My schedule is done for the day today. Started at 7 a.m. this morning, first cut. Today, somebody gave a good suggestion for this channel. They said that I should maybe try to interview or talk to my 2 apprentices, because you guys know that I have 2 apprentices. One of them is Raul. Raul's on his way out already. Raul already has, not out, but on the way out of the program as being an apprentice. So here in California, the apprentice program is 2 years. You got to do 3,500 hours. 3,500 hours in the barbershop, and I believe it's 600 hours at school. So the 3,500 hours is basically working here at the shop. Raul's already going to be, in October is going to be 2 years for him, so his program's already coming to an end. So he'll be going for his barber's license, hopefully in October, December, maybe at the beginning of the year, the way things are going around right now. Dave, on the other hand, just started. Dave he's on his first 2 months of his apprentice program. So there's different levels of it. You got to climb from one, you got to rise up to the other. So of course Raul is more experienced now. Raul's been here 1.5 years longer than Dave has. But at the same time, the progression of both of them is amazing to me. And you know what, guys, I'm gonna sit down and interview them, because I think it's a good idea. It's a good idea for a segment to interview them, so you guys for you guys that are the young guys that are starting off. My question to you guys is, what's a good question to ask them? What would you guys want me to ask them as questions for an interview? That's my question for today. Drop it down below, because I think that'd be a good one for you guys, just to hear some questions that you guys might have for young barbers like that, just like you guys are coming out of barber school. I know a lot of you guys that follow me are either coming out of barber school or are in your first 2 years of being barbers. And guys, the first 2 years are the toughest. It's just the toughest, because you have to build a clientele. You got to get out of the fear of being nervous of doing haircuts. Some haircuts are going to scare you. Some haircuts are going to be easy. Some are going to be hard. When you're doing kids, there's just so much to it. But we'll interview them so you guys can start hearing what they got to say about it. Because Raul's a little bit more advanced than Dave at the moment, because he's a year ahead of him, 1.5 years ahead of him. So it'd be interesting to interview both of them. I'm gonna do separate, not together, so that way But I need some questions. Let me have some questions. What you guys think? What you guys want to ask them? Questions that you guys want to hear. So we'll do that as a video. That's a video idea that I have that I'm gonna be working on. Now that we're gonna be back to work pretty soon. Like I told you guys earlier, apparently we're not allowed to come back to work, but I have a feeling that by Monday, Tuesday, they're going to lift the sanctions here in Los Angeles too. I think they just needed a few more days to verify it or something like that. Hopefully. If not, then I might have to go underground again, guys. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. But with that being said, that's it for today. Super tired, guys. I ended up filling my schedule all the way up. Took a ½ hour lunch. Other than that, I grinded the whole day through. Some haircuts were easier than others. I'm pretty quick, guys, so I could get through a haircut and still clean up. And sometimes I even sit down for a split second or two for 5 minutes. You know what I mean? And then usually sometimes if somebody's late, I'll be sitting down. So it is what it is, guys. But you know what I mean? Right now we got to do this. Even later, I might, from now on, I might just be busy like this. I don't know. I've always wanted to be booked like this. I always wonder what it'd be like. Now I understand. Tomorrow I'm already booked tomorrow, but tomorrow I only work from 8 to 1. So there's only so many appointments that can go in that slot. So, but it is what it is. Again. So that's it for today, guys. I'm out of here. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. I'll probably be vlogging on Monday or something, guys. But with that being said, you guys have a blessed night, and I'll see you guys mañana. Random.